Okay, I wanted to do a quick tutorial to demonstrate how to start with a fresh install of Flashbuilder 4.5 and get the Subclipse Subversion plugin installed and running. So Flashbuilder is actually bundled with a version of Eclipse when you install it. So it works the same way when you want to add in plugins. You simply need to navigate over to the help menu, go down to where it says software updates, install new software, and then you just go ahead and give it the URL of a site you want to install software from or plugins from, and then it will do that for you. So we want to go get Subversion Subclipse plugin. So actually we've got pulled that up here, and we see the latest release here. The Eclipse update site is what we want to go ahead and copy. And so we'll just copy that, and we'll come back over into Flashbuilder, and we'll go ahead and add a new site. We'll call this Subclipse. We'll paste in the browser site. We'll hit OK, and then it's going to go ahead and query that site and show us what we have there to get installed. So we're going to go ahead and just install the core SVN kit and the subclips. And you know what? We probably don't need all of these guys here, so we're just gonna, well, let's see. We don't need the millennials. Okay, so we don't need to put the ones in there that aren't required, but we can go ahead and select the ones we do want. We hit next. It's going to go ahead and tell us we're installing a bunch of stuff. Go ahead and hit next. You go ahead and accept the user terms. We'll finish, and it will go ahead and download and install that plugin for us. And as long as there's no errors here, we'll be able to get our repository up and running. Go ahead and restart. And now I actually have in my dream host, we've got a couple of Subversion repositories set up here, so we're just going to go ahead and connect to one of those once we get Flashbuilder back up and running. And so, no thank you. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and switch our profile perspective to, yep, there it is. Then we have SVN repository exploring. Go ahead and choose over there. We'll select new, add a new repository location, and it's going to be repository. Subversion native library not available. Just go ahead. Okay. I actually already have my user and password selected on this in the keychain, so it's automatically doing it. But if you did not, then it would prompt you for your password. And now we can go ahead and, if we wanted to, we could do a checkout of a project, and we can see that Subversion is now installed, working, running correctly, and we can use version control directly inside of Flashbuilder 4.5.